Hi there, it's Sam here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator based in the UK, and you can find me at craftyourbestlife.co.uk. Today I'm bringing you a nice simple card using all of the Sale-A-Bration freebies. So this is the one we're going to be making, and I will show you that in a minute. For those of you that don't know what Sale-A-Bration is, from the 3rd of January to the 31st of March, every time you place an order of £45, you can choose a what's known as a level 1 free item. If your order is £90, then you get to choose a level 2. So we've got, this is the first release. This ribbon is actually gone, so that is actually sold out. So this was the first release that came out on the 1st of January. And then there's that one. And then on the 15th of February to the 31st of March, we had the second release, which are these items here. So this one, I haven't got this one, but this one is a stamp set. Designed to use with your stamparatus. So there's that one. And we've got got to take a deep breath for this one. Country Floral Dynamic Textured Impressions Embossing Folder. Golly. So this is the embossing folder. I'll just find you the thing I made with it. So this is the card I made using the also free item of the foil pack. So that's all the dimension of the embossing folder, and it's a super thick one, so it gives you a great big deep impression. Lovely. And then the other item we have is a level 2 item, which is the Painted Seasons stamp set and the Painted Seasons Designer Series paper. So you get 4 designs in here. So like that on that side, and then like that on that side. So that's a level 2 item. And then good old Stampin' Up gave us the 3rd generation of free items, and these ones are mainly from the annual catalogue, and I do have a few of these. So these are all with a £45 qualifying order. You can get the Painted Seasons Designer Series paper separately from the stamp set. So if you've got your stamp set and the paper and you want more paper, or you don't want the stamp set, you just want the paper, then the paper is there. We've then got the Share What You Love, take them out, Share What You Love embellishment kit. So it comes in this box like so, and you get some green and white Baker's twine, some white thread, some embellishments. Those are, I don't know if you can see that, they're roses and paper clips. Give it a close up. And then you get 4 large labels and 4 slightly smaller ones. So that's the embellishment kit. That's with a £45 order. We've got the pearlised doilies. You get 2 packs of those with a £45 order. What else have we got? Scattered Sequins embossing folder, which is another textured impressions one. So it gives you a good deep emboss. I don't know if you can see. So that one. Mini pizza boxes, which I do not have for some strange reason. Velvet ribbon, which is this one. Again, two lots of that. So it's 1/4 inch velvet ribbon in red, rich razzleberry. So that's the velvet ribbon in there. And then we've got the Petal Promenade Designer Series paper, I love this. This is just super duper. Let's see if I haven't got any I've not chopped. I think I've got a bit. So these are 12 sheets of, no, yeah, 12 sheets of 12 by 12. So on one side we've got, this one's got frames, and we've got, I don't know what colour roses they're called. They've got dog roses or something like that. Then we've got some more frames, some more flowery rose type things. That one, and my favourite one's not there because I've been using it. There's a bit here. This one, this is my favourite one. So there's that one, and then on the other side we have some bokeh, marble effect, great effect, more marble effect, and crinkly. Good word. And then there's the marble on the back of that one. So that pack is free with your 45. And then the laser cut, delightfully detailed laser cut speciality paper. This is 8 sheets in here. So let's take the odd bits off. So you get 4 sheets like this, and then you get 4 sheets, full-size sheets like this, and this coordinates with the delightfully detailed suite as well. So there's that one's a freebie as well. So there's lots to choose from. So like I say, for every £45 you spend, you get to choose a free item. When you do order online, it will prompt you to tell you to select your items. You haven't got to like find the order numbers. And then I had a go yesterday making something with all the bits and bobs from that the third release. So that's the card I made. Be great for a wedding. Or my husband and I had purple and orange for our wedding colours, so that's where I've chosen that sort of colour spectrum on there. So let's get on with this card, shall we? Now I can't find me doodah. So we're using the Hello Cupcake stamp set, the Botanical Butterflies DSP, and the wooden elements, which are all stuck in there. Come on out, you. So this is, apart from the white cardstock, all of this comes from the freebie items. So we've got some wooden elements, and we want Celebrate Your Day. What's the other one? Sparkled Sweet Wishes. Maybe I should do Sweet Wishes instead. No, we'll go with that one because it's, I know it fits. So we'll pick that one up like so. We want some ink. Alright, so the paper is, this side is lemon and lime twist. Hang on. Lemon and lime twist. So that will go on there like so. So our card base started out as 8 inches by 4. Then I've scored it at 4, so give us a 4 by 4 square card base. The piece of designer series paper is 3 by 3.5, no, 3 1/4 by 3 1/8. That's not right then, is it? Let's try that again. 3 1/8 by 3. Yeah, I put that a bit wrong. Hang on, let me measure this one. Three and 1/4. So let me just square this off a bit with my trimmer. So that side is 3 1/4. So we want this side, not 3, I've got 3 1/8, just to make it square. All the measurements for this will be over on my blog at craftyoubestlife.co.uk. So we've got a really simple, easy card. This piece is 2 inches square, and that's where we're going to stamp our sentiment. So we're going to ink that one up. And then try and get it in the middle. Get it in the middle, get it straight. Yay! And then it's just a case of popping it together. So we're going to glue this one down. Oops, missed. I would use my silicone mat, but I've lost it. I tidied up like you do, and so far I've lost my silicone mat, my H block, and a set of dies. Now my craft space is about, well, everything's within arm's reach. It's about 3 feet wide by 4 feet long. So where it's gone, I have no idea. I reckon the craft fairies come in and stole it. So we want some dimensionals on the back of this piece. So I'm going to put them, make sure, yeah, this one needs to come in a little bit because I need to get the doodads under there. Technical word, doodads. So I want some glue dots. So this is our bottom corner here. Pokey, pokey, where are you? There you are. So I'm going to take these. Oh, where's my glue dots? Hello. Right, let's take that bit off. So I'm going to pop a glue dot there and pop that one down, and then we'll pop a glue dot here and put that one down. Then we can turn it over get our flower. Put that over there. Do I want that bit on? No, I don't think I do. I was originally thinking of putting that on the top of there, but no, I think it'll make it too high. Then we want one on the butterfly to go up there. Pop that one out of the way. So take the backs off of the dimensionals. I don't know why I can't say that properly. And then we're just going to drop it and let it stick to the card here, like that, because that's how you do it. I'm going to work out the middle roughly and pop it down like that. So there we go, nice and simple. Like I say, all the measurements and details will be over on my blog at craftyoubestlife.co.uk. If you would like to subscribe to my channel, I would very much appreciate that. And if you'd like to give me a like, I'd very much appreciate that. This is my job, so I do have an online shop at craftyoubestlife.stampinup.net, so I would love it if you would like to shop with me. And again, we're in celebration, so for every £45 you spend, you get to choose a freebie. So thank you very much for this time today, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye.